Everyone, this is Just a Dad. So is the Bissell Little Green Auto Pro Just a Dad approved? Yes, it is. Now, it's not going to replace a shop vac, but it does have this little dry vacuum that I'm going to show you later in the video cleaning up my truck. So this is model number 3909L. In this video, we're going to clean up this big mess first. Then I'm going to use the dry vacuum on my truck. And then I'll do the complete unboxing for this. So if you want to see exactly, there's a lot going on with this spot cleaner. But one thing's for sure, it does clean really well, very simple to operate. Turn the switch on. I've got the clean water tank full of water and solution. Now for really tough stains, I do recommend this Folex. I'm going to pre-treat it just a little bit with this. This works amazing. Okay, let's turn it on. We're going to see how well it cleans up this big mess. When I pull the trigger, water and solution come out under pressure. It's doing a good job. I can spray and scrub at the same time. Then I can just dry it only. But I got a big coffee spill right here. It's deep in the carpet. And it's pulling it up out of the carpet. Very good. Now when I want to clean it, pull this back, press the trigger. Now solution will be directed down the hose. This is the hose clean. Right up. It made short order of that. Wow. This thing has a large dirty water tank, but I like that it's easy to clean. So you're just simply going to pull this up, take this over to the sink, dump that out, but I can get a scrub brush in there and scrub that so there's no odor. Okay, let's see just how practical this is. I'm going to turn it on. Not too bad, actually. Flipped it over. That's for pet hair. Can't get big things. Okay, so it can't get super big messes, but actually it didn't do too bad of a job. I was expecting it not to be that good. But now if we want to empty it, take the filter out, you're gonna have to clean that filter. That's a pretty small filter, but wow, it can get the job done. Again, no suction going into none of that debris goes down into it. It all stops right here. Now, I would probably use a shop vac if I had a bunch of dirt and debris, you know. Is it worth it just for that? No, but this is a proven design. This is an amazing spot cleaner that's been around for a while. It is great for cars because of the long hose, long, big tanks, long cords. It's just a proven design that looks like they experimented with something new. It does work. I personally would want the hose to be about 2 more feet longer. I love the wheels on the bottom. So check out the rest of this video. I'm going to do the unboxing. Since there's so much going on with this, I do a complete unboxing. I measure it, put the wheels together and everything, show you everything that comes with it. If you'd like to purchase this product, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. If you purchase this product using a link in my website or in this video, I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, the product doesn't cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. I purchase these products with my own money. I don't take sponsorships. I don't take free products. I try to bring a dad's common sense approach to reviewing products. I've been really specializing in robot vacuum cleaners, but I also love to do spot cleaners, wet dry floor mops, big carpet cleaners, cordless vacuum cleaners. I just did a bunch of reviews. Hoover's got a brand new mini, the Bissell Little Green Mini. I compared these two, and I love Shark stain strikers also. Okay, so let me start the unboxing on the Bissell Little Green Auto Pro, model number 3909L. Here's everything that comes in the box. What's special about this is a portable spot cleaner that uses water and solution, but it also has this dry vacuum attachment. And with the dry vacuum attachment, there's this attachment and a crevice tool. For the spot cleaner attachment, there's this attachment, a crevice tool. We also get 4 little wheels that it can glide around on, and we get a sample bottle solution. Now the hose wraps around, it's 5 feet long, and the power cord is 15 feet long. It has a 3.2 amp motor on the inside, and it's very simple to operate. You're either going to turn it on or off. The line position is on. There's no special position for vacuuming only. You're just going to put that on the end of that hose, and you're not going to be sucking up water with it. You'll just be doing dry. It uses the same suction power. So this is a big dirty water tank. Wow. A little screen here, you may have to wipe some of the hair off sometimes, but you're going to take this to the sink. Now to get this off was a little hard at first, but you simply just pull straight up. I like that you can empty that out and clean it out with this will get really stinky, so you can clean it out with a brush. And that just simply sits on there. Put this back, handle goes down on the back, clean water tank. Lift it up. Now you're going to put solution and water in this. So you fill it up either to here with water or here, and then from this line to this line you add the solution. You can put hot water in here, like from your tap. And then you simply just put it back in. Here's the bottom. I'm too excited to get these wheels in. This looks pretty cool. You got 4 of them. It's gonna be a little challenging to get in. It's gonna be a little challenging. They will go. You gotta really press hard, and it's hard. You gotta press right there in the middle. These two were pretty hard, but if you push right in the middle, they will go. Now this is gonna be cool. It rolls around. It's okay. It's not gonna slide away from you, but it does roll. Okay, let's start off with standard cleaning for wet dry. You're gonna put this attachment on. Now when I spray this trigger, water is gonna come out under pressure, and then you're gonna have suction. You're gonna suck it up. Scrub and suck. Now make sure this is the self-cleaning built in. So make sure it's in, when it's in self-cleaning, when you press the trigger, the solution will be directed down the hose to do hose cleaning. So to remove this, press this little button. I wish I was a little bigger. And I love that you can take this apart. You can also put a stiffer, like this is for hair. That's for scrubbing. All right, you have one more attachment for wet. The crevice tool. This is pretty cool. It sprays a stream out. So when you do a crevice, it doesn't spray real wide. It sprays a spot so that you can clean a spot. Now let's go to dry. So you're going to put this on. It has a cover so you can't spray. So you got like a big handle now, and this is going to be your suction, dry suction. You know, not a super big dustbin, but that way you only got to take one tool. This is for like pet hair. That's going to grab the pet hairs. And I guess you have to, when you want to switch bristles, you got to use a screwdriver to pry that up a little bit. Now I can put this side on. So it's not a button you press, you got to pry up a little bit. Now I've got for scrubbing, and this is for dry material. Now, when you're done, you simply got to press that button again. Take this off. That's to empty your debris. You're going to empty it out. This is a little filter. It's not a HEPA filter or anything, but that's just a screen. Looks like it's all cleanable. Make sure you let it dry. Pretty cool idea. Yep, pretty cool. Okay, height to the top of the handle, 15 or 37 centimeters. Front to back with the cord, 17 or 43 centimeters. Left to right, 10 inches or 26 centimeters. does have onboard storage for at least one thing. You could put this on the handle. I mean, maybe you could, nope, nope, you can't store that. So you would just be able to store the crevice tool. So we're gonna wind the hose up. I like that you can turn this and pull the whole cord off, I'm sorry, 3-prong. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. Now the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.